In my memory, the things I loved about the 70s were outside concerts, acoustic guitar music, the beautiful harmony singing of a folk rock album, bell-bottom jeans, and peasant tops. Alright, so today I'm giving you a full review of the Timbre Peasant Top, and yes, it is pronounced that way, by Love Notions. Stay tuned to the end for some great tips on making this top your own by adding embroidery, including the design choices and the perfect size and placement of the design. Hi, this is Kim from Dorothy's Daughter. Thank you for joining me today. So the details of this pattern. The sizing is extra small to 5X with full bust options on every size. You can also choose whether to have a placket or a rounded neckline. You can also choose whether or not you want to make a top or a dress. So there's many options you can choose from. There are 3 sleeve options. You can do a puff sleeve, a flutter sleeve, or a bishop sleeve. And this pattern is meant for woven fabrics. Let's talk a little bit about wearability. I have worn both of my Timbre blouses and gotten so many compliments on them. Every time I've worn them, I have gotten compliments. Mine are in a fabrication that's cool and comfortable. It's the kind of top that can be the focal point of an outfit and not really need much but a pair of solid color bottoms or jeans to make it a great coordinated outfit. Let's talk about the construction of this. So this is a super easy top to construct. It's very, very suitable for beginners, and if you are a beginner, you will learn some tasks using this pattern. You will learn to handle lightweight woven fabrics, how to create a channel for elastic, how to make your own bias tape. For the skirted version, you will learn about gathering. So it's a great pattern to knock some skills off your list if you're a beginner as well. Let's talk about sizing. As usual, the sizing with Love Notions is a very diverse body types and a wide range of sizes. It runs true to size. I am 5'3", and I made no modifications to either one of the tops that I created. Let's talk about the materials you need for this top. Other than fabric, which we'll talk about a little more, you just need elastic. And I used a 3/8 inch elastic. You also need thread that coordinates with your fabric. It does require a little bit of top stitching up here on the elastic channel. As far as fabric choices, rayon challis is a perfect choice for this pattern, as is any lightweight woven with just a bit of drape. A lightweight linen is great, as is a drapey polyester or even quilting cotton. I made one with lightweight polyester crepe, this one. The other one is made with a polyester shirting blend of some kind. I purchased it at a warehouse in San Antonio called Fabrictopia, and they don't really have the content visible on their bolts. So how do you make it your own? Let me give you some tips on embroidering this top. So to embroider this top, choose a design that is no more than 9 inches wide and no more than, say, 2 to 3 inches high. And that will be a good proportion for this top. I used the 5 Flores pattern that's available on OESD.com. I will put the link to this design in the description if you're interested. I placed the flowers as I wanted them, and I made sure in Brilliant software that this was no more than 9 inches wide. I stitched this design on wash away stabilizer. My reasoning for this is to be able to maintain the drape of the fabric after the embroidery is done. So I really like that, to be able to still see the drape of the fabric even after you go ahead and embroider it. I make sure that I place the center of the design 3 3/4 inches from the top center, and that will put it exactly where you need it to be for your embroidering. Go ahead and mark your spot on the fabric with some chalk so that you can have a crosshairs mark and you can make sure your needle starts in the center. Use chalk so it can be removed. While I liked the colors that they chose on the pattern, I like to be myself. So I chose other colors that I thought would pop on this blue. And never feel like you're stuck with the colors that the designer put forth. You can change it to anything you want. You can go to your rack of spool colors if you have one and just choose something that you know will work. Be creative, have fun with it, because there's nothing greater than wearing a creation that was really you put your heart and soul into. In summary, this is one of my favorite blouses I have ever made, both of these actually. And it's quick and it's easy to make, and I envision making many of these in the years to come. It definitely is right off the bat, a tried and true pattern. It is a basic that I will make over and over and over again. I have not yet made the dress, but I do have plans to do that sometime soon. It is on my list of patterns I want to sew. You can purchase this pattern at the release sale price of $9.50 through August 12th of 2024. As a friend of this channel, anyone watching can also get my 10% discount from Love Notions with my special coupon code that's just for my subscribers and viewers. It is SEW4FIT with the number 4 and all capital letters, and that coupon is good through September 20th of 2024, after which I will have a new code. So keep watching the Facebook group if it's after that, and you'll find the current code. That's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Have a great day, and as always, keep your loved ones close, because life is very short. Happy sewing!